guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy. That's Khrissy with a K. Today in this video, I am showing y'all a real simple, easy wig, y'all. I am cheesing because I love when I don't have to do too much work to the wig, okay? This wig is from the Butta Lace collection. This is the Butta Unit 46, and pretty much what you see on the stock card is what you're gonna get. You're gonna put the wig on and go. So I'm gonna show you how I did that, tell you my pros, my cons, all that great stuff. If you're new here, consider sticking around because I do a lot of wig content on this channel. Hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up. Let's jump in.
Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love. All of your love, I can't fake it. When I'm with you, my legs go weak. Yeah. Can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat. Yeah. This feeling is getting so.
Alright, my friends, so we have another glueless, easy summertime wig. This one was so easy. Y'all saw how easy this was. I literally just cut the lace, put lace tint spray, and we're here. This is the Butta Lace Butta Unit 46. Yes, we're on 46. Don't ask me when that happened. But I have the color balayage gold, and this color is so pretty. I feel like I reviewed this color in the Curls and Kinks 16 inches wig, but it's not this color. It was actually the TH230 mix, and this is very comparable. So I like this color. As far as other colors, you're gonna get a lot of balayage colors in here, which is pretty cool. Balayage chocolate, copper, mocha. Now this wig is definitely giving me those vibes. That one was a whole 13x6 lace frontal. This is just a standard Butta Lace. We know Butta Lace. It's the very easy put on your head and go wig. You're just gonna get a standard lace part. You're gonna get that hairline effect in the front if you want to put her up. You know, you can. But I didn't have to do anything to this wig. It is pre-plucked, and you could pluck it up some more if you like. I don't like to pluck wigs that are this texture because they start to get tangly and all that stuff, so I just leave them. These curls are very juicy and defined. Over time with synthetic wigs, guys, keep in mind that because they are synthetic, the more you touch them, the more you play with it, it's going to get bigger and bigger in time. So if you have been following me, you know that I don't really like to manipulate my curly synthetic wigs right out the pack because the older it gets, it's going to do what it does over time. And if you also know me, you know that I do put my wigs up for sale. So this might be on my Macari site only because I have a lot of wigs that look like this. So check that link down below. I even left the baby hairs on here. You know, it came with these straight baby hairs, but you can cut them off or do what you want to do. If you do want a different version of this, like with the kinky coily edges, check that video out right here that I did review that I'm talking about. That was the kinky coily edges version to this wig, and again, it comes with that whole 13x6 lace frontal if you're looking for a different alternative. But yeah, I'm really feeling this color. I'm feeling this easy put on your head and go. The only con that I do have with this wig, if I must say, is because it's a standard lace part, these standard lace parts, they're a little tighter, they're a little bit more snug. I did go in with the elastic band, but it's starting to be a little tight on my head. Keep that in mind, but you can wear it glueless because of that elastic band. I didn't put any adhesive on this wig, and that's that. Like, this is so cute. Even though this wig is a little snug on my head and it may be a little too snug for me, I really do like this Butta Lace collection because I feel like they're really easy. They're really easy wigs. The only thing that I did have to do with this wig, but it's personal preference, is I did shape this wig a little bit. I cut it kind of like to my face and frame it, but you don't have to do that because your wig is your life. Do what you want to do with your wig, you know. But I felt like it made it look a little bit more, you know, gave it a little bit more flair. So that's why I chose to do that. The texture of this wig, because it's so full and it is hot outside, It is summertime, but I am starting to get a little heat back here, but you could put her up. You could put her up. But I like the naturalness of this wig. I like the fact that this looks like my natural hair with highlights. I also recently reviewed a human hair wig like this, but this is an option. So I love the fact that we have options. We have options with these kinky coily wigs. There's plenty of wigs out there. So if you want a human hair option to this wig, check that video out right here if you're looking for a human hair option. I like wigs like this for my beginners, the people that don't like to manipulate wigs, that don't want to plug up wigs, that really don't know what to do with the wig except cut the lace and go. This wig is for you. This is literally a put on your head and go wig. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this one. Give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and until next time, I will talk to you later. Bye.
Love me till the morning, love me all night long. There's something special about